Welcome, seafood enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a culinary adventure that's all about creating the perfect barramundi fish recipe in your air fryer. We'll show you step-by-step how to achieve crispy, flavorful perfection with every bite. So let's get cooking. Our today's warm virtual hug goes out to C. Bolt from Islamabad, Pakistan. If you're watching, please share your city in the comments below. And who knows, you might be the next one to receive our shout out. Now back to our culinary adventure. And there you have it, our deliciously air-fried barramundi fish recipe. We hope you enjoyed this seafood journey as much as we did. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering culinary adventures. Hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest recipes. Share, like, and comment below with your thoughts and any dishes you'd like to see next. Until next time, keep on cooking, keep on savoring, and keep on munching the lunch.